Viewers, hope you all are well and at home. Today we will learn how to prepare Google Docs. So let's see. In the first step, we will learn how to create a Gmail account. First of all, click sign in option which appears on the right side of the computer screen. Then comes the create account. There are two types of account will appear on the screen. For myself and to manage my business. We will select for myself. Then you have to fill the requirement like first name, last name. If you submit your first name and last name, username will automatically come. Let's say you have to choose which name is available like this. Then you have set a password which is 8 or more characters with a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. Then you will confirm the password. Then you have to click next. Your account is ready. You have to click sign in option again. Your email will show like this. Then click next. Give your password. Then click next. Then click 9 small dot which appeared on the right side. Then scroll. You can see Google Docs is showing. Click. Then you click blank. You can write anything like report, newsletter, banner, brochure, etc. After writing, click file. You can share, print the documents. Google Docs is very important for official work and students who learn computer. Thank you.